How to fix no Wi-Fi option issue in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of Wi-Fi related issue, Wi-Fi not connecting, then the simple and first workaround is restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various type of Windows related issue. So must restart your system. And if your problem is still, then go to the next fixes and run the network troubleshooters. Go to Windows settings, network, and under system settings, choose troubleshoot and run other troubleshooters and run the network and internet troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here go to network and sharing center. Here choose change adapter settings. Here go to your connection, right click on it and make enable this feature if you found disable. The next fix is to fix Wi-Fi option issue is again go to device manager. Here go to network adapter section and locate your Wi-Fi network adapter driver. Simply right click on it and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the installation process. If your problem is still running, then go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings. Here go to Windows update and go to update history. Here scroll down at the end, choose uninstall updates and find out latest installed updates in your system. Uninstall that updates. Then go to next fixes. Type services in search box and open services windows. Here locate WLAN auto configuration option. Right click on it and choose a start. If it already running, then choose restart. If it is in a stop mode, simply start it. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to device manager, right click on start button, choose device manager, go to your network adapter section, right click on your Wi-Fi network driver and choose properties. Go to details, events, drivers and rollback driver. Click on OK and check whether your Wi-Fi option missing issue is resolved or not. If not, go to the settings, choose network and internet, scroll down, choose advanced network settings and here you will find under more settings, related settings, network reset. It should be your last option. If none of the above method is resolve your issue, reset network, choose reset now. That's all.